Today at The Daily Eco, we're here to spill the tea on its amazing benefits and how you can easily incorporate them into your diet. Fights disease with powerful antioxidants. Green tea is packed with high-quality antioxidants that combat free radicals. These free radicals can come from pollution, chemicals in food and drinks, especially alcohol, tobacco smoke, and even sunlight. When you consume antioxidants, like those in green tea, they neutralize these free radicals, preventing them from damaging your DNA and potentially causing diseases like heart attacks or age-related problems. In simpler terms, green tea helps you stay healthier by reducing your risk of various illnesses. Boosts heart health. Green tea helps lower bad LDL cholesterol. This type of cholesterol is produced naturally by your body and can also come from your diet. The issue is that LDL cholesterol can build up in your arteries, leading to a condition called atherosclerosis or hardening of the arteries. This can increase your risk of heart disease. So by promoting LDL cholesterol elimination, green tea can help keep your heart healthy. Supports detoxification. Green tea is rich in phytochemicals, natural plant compounds with various health benefits. In green tea, these phytochemicals help support the function of your liver and kidneys, two vital organs responsible for filtering toxins and waste products from your blood. This means green tea can contribute to your body's natural detoxification process. Protects your teeth. Green tea's antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties act as a double whammy for your teeth and gums. The antimicrobial properties fight bacteria that can cause cavities by preventing them from sticking to your teeth. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce gum inflammation and therefore the risk of gum disease. Other benefits. Green tea also offers potential benefits like brain protection, fresher breath, blood pressure and sugar regulation, and even weight loss. While some benefits require further research, incorporating green tea is a simple way to potentially enhance your overall health. But before we continue, let's put you to the test. What is the main process that differentiates the production of green tea from other types of tea? A. Fermentation. B. Oxidation. C. Sun drying. D. Hot stirring. Think about it carefully because at the end of the video, you can check if you were right. How to drink green tea. Green tea comes loose leaf or in bags, and for convenience, pre-made options exist too. So don't be afraid of the slightly bitter taste. A squeeze of lemon or a few mint leaves can easily soften it. To brew a cup, heat up some water, around 1 cup, and add 1 tablespoon of loose tea leaves or 1 bag. Cover the mixture, let it steep for 10 minutes, then add lemon juice if desired. Enjoy up to 2 to 4 cups daily, but remember to have them between meals to avoid interfering with mineral absorption. It's always wise to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new beverage, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Side effects and contraindications. Exceeding the recommended daily dose can lead to side effects like vomiting, rapid heartbeat, heartburn, insomnia, and irritability. Green tea is not recommended for pregnant or breastfeeding women, people with thyroid problems, insomnia, stomach or kidney issues, or those taking medications for anticoagulation, hypertension, or cholesterol. And going back to the question we asked you earlier, have you thought it through? The correct answer is C, sun drying. Unlike green tea, which is processed to prevent oxidation, black and oolong teas go through fermentation or oxidation processes. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And until next time.